Introducing a new kind of entrance solution, our new high-speed door. Designed for ISO 8 certified cleaner rooms, limiting the spread of airborne particles and contaminants to help keep your operations clean. The ASSA ABLOY HS9120GAT. The door comes with a highly reliable safety light curtain that's capable of sensing and responding to even the smallest of objects. This light curtain covers the total width of the door up to a height of 1600 millimeters. So if anything is in the way, the door's closing is stopped immediately and opened. The HS9120GAT is equipped with a breakaway and automatic reset system, so the curtain will reintroduce itself after a crash, reducing downtime and maintenance. In addition, the soft bottom profile has no rigid parts, so it'll give way should an obstruction occur in the line of closing. An optional safety feature is Spot On, our fully touchless opening system that ensures easier entry and more hygienic operation. And to further increase hygiene, a slanted stainless steel enclosure is available for the door's control unit, which prevents corrosion or contamination. It can be mounted flush to the wall or with a 50mm gap behind to ensure easy cleaning. The standard door curtain is available in a range of colors, together with windows and vision panels to increase daylight and visibility levels. The HS9120GAT also features an optional new door curtain, which provides a high level of acoustic insulation and thermal properties, helping reduce noise levels and energy loss. This optional curtain is designed with a smooth backside and an insulating foam front side. Available in 2 colors and with a U-value of 2.94. With the new HS9120GAT from ASSA ABLOY, you simply get a high-speed, high-safety and high-efficiency door you can always count on. For more, visit ASSAABLOYEntrance.com.